Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use QuickBooks Inventory Easy method. First, enable inventory tracking in company settings and set your inventory start date to match your records. Next, add items with clear names, SKU codes, and accurate cost and sales prices. Finally, count stock, record adjustments, and reconcile quantities to sales and purchases to keep reports accurate and decision-ready. Add each item as an inventory part and include SKU, purchase cost, and sales price so margins calculate correctly. Assign matching income and expense accounts so reports reflect costs and revenue accurately. Use reorder points and preferred vendors to automate restocking and reduce stockouts, and review item details monthly to catch pricing or category errors before they affect your bottom line. Track purchases and sales precisely so QuickBooks updates quantities automatically when you enter bills, purchase orders, sales receipts, or invoices. For shrinkage or corrections, use inventory adjustments and note the reason to keep audit trails clear. Regular cycle counts and reconciliations ensure your quantity on hand matches physical stock and keeps financial reports trustworthy for decisions and taxes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.